Hello, explorers. Welcome to our fun adventure in the park. Today, we'll explore amazing park animals. Let's begin. Meet the squirrel. These fuzzy friends love to climb trees and jump around. They're like acrobats of the park, and they collect yummy nuts to munch on later. Look at those ducks in the pond. Ducks love to swim and play in the water. They have special webbed feet that help them paddle and find food under the water. Here comes a rabbit. Rabbits are quick and good hoppers. They have big ears to listen for sounds and a little nose that twitches as they explore the grass. Wow! Look at those colorful butterflies. They love flowers and use their pretty wings to fly from one to another. Listen to those birds singing their songs. Some birds can even fly high up in the sky and build cozy nests in trees. Did you know ants are tiny but strong? They work together and march in a line to find food and bring it back to their ant homes. Teamwork makes them super powerful. Bees are like nature's little helpers. They visit flowers to collect nectar and make delicious honey. Thanks for joining me on this fantastic journey through the park. Remember to be kind to our animal friends. Until next time, keep smiling and keep discovering.